Hi, I'm Kelly. Did you know that your Cricut can draw and write just as beautifully as it cuts? If you're new to Cricut, or maybe you've never tried Cricut pens before, this video is for you. Cricut pens and markers are one of the easiest ways to create professional looking projects like cards, organization labels, scrapbooking details, gift tags, even custom coloring pages. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 easy Cricut pen projects, plus share my best tips and tricks so your designs come out perfect every single time. Before we jump into pen projects, let's cover a few Cricut pen basics that will make a big difference in your results. My first tip is to choose the correct pen size. Cricut pens come in different tip sizes and styles, like 0.4, 0.8, watercolor markers, and they all give a different effect. So don't forget to match the pen you'll be using with the setting in Design Space. It's really easy to do. Just highlight the text and click this drop-down menu to see the corresponding pen. You can see how much of a difference it makes when I change that in Design Space. Always double check before loading your pen into the machine, or you might be disappointed with how your project turns out. My second tip is to choose a writing font. Just select your text and click the font drop-down. From here, you can filter by writing fonts. There's so many to choose from. Tip number 3, use smooth paper or cardstock. For best results, use the smooth side of your cardstock or paper. A lot of papers have one textured side and one smooth side, so making sure that the smooth side is facing up will make sure that your pen can glide more evenly. And finally, before you place your pen into your Cricut, just go ahead and scribble on a piece of scrap paper to get that ink flowing. This helps avoid faded lines while your machine is drawing. Let's start with a super popular Cricut pen project, gift tags. I think this is one of my most used projects just because it's so easy and versatile for birthdays, teacher gifts, and of course for the holidays. Design Space has made it easier than ever too. Just open up Cricut Design Space, select cardstock cutout, and then gift tag, and enter the size we want. I love how Design Space gives recommendations here. It's so much easier. And from here, you can add images and text, but what I love is starting from a template. There are so many great options we can start from. I love that it already includes a hole for attaching the tag too. Let's update this text. We can change the font, size, spacing, and wording to be exactly what we want. Once everything looks good, click Make. I love making these with my Cricut because I can adjust how many I'd like, and Design Space will automatically add them for me. I can make so many tags all at once. Now we'll load our pen. We'll just open the clamp, take our blade out, and push the pen in so it's in all the way. We'll put our cardstock on a mat, load it into our machine, and let our Cricut do the work. And Design Space will prompt you when you need to switch out to a different pen, or if you're using a Joy or Joy Extra when you want to swap the blade. Now we'll just peel these off our mat and we're done. These gift tags are such a quick and easy way to get a clean, custom look. All right, let's talk about one of my favorite uses for Cricut pens, custom cards. Not only can you design the front of the card, but you can also write a message inside, and the penmanship is always perfect. Again, Design Space has a super easy project flow for us. We'll select Insert Card from this drop-down menu, and then select our size. There are so many great templates to choose from. This one is Darling. I'll click Make and load up my pen in the clamp and my card on my card mat. Design Space will do all the work cutting and drawing for me. And now that we have our card, let's fold it inside out. We're gonna put it back on our card mat so we can write a message inside. We'll do another insert card and do custom. And these little lines here are meant for cutting, so I'm just going to delete those and add our text and change this from cut to draw. And now we can click Make and load our mat so the Cricut can write each element exactly where it belongs. This is such an easy way to create cards that feel personal and polished, perfect for birthdays, holidays, thank you notes, or special occasions. Our final project goes hand in hand with these cards. You can also use your Cricut to write envelopes. No calligraphy skills needed. It's so great when you want something that looks really neat and pretty, but you need to do a lot, like thank you notes or party invites or your annual Christmas cards. We'll start with a blank canvas and add a rectangle that's the size of our envelope. This just lets us know how to line everything up and get it sized just right. Now we'll add our text and change the operation to draw. Now we're gonna highlight everything and select Attach, and we're ready to make. The only thing you'll need to worry about with this project is to pay attention to where you're placing your envelope on your mat. I like to move this to a corner, like here, an inch down and an inch to the right, so I can position my blank envelope perfectly. And then peel this off. There you have it. Perfectly addressed envelopes for those times when you want something just a little bit more polished. Cricut pens are so much fun to create with. These projects look so neat, but they still feel handmade and are totally personalized. They can be used for so much more too, from planner pages and wall art to scrapbooking and school projects. And I'd love to know, what's your favorite way to use Cricut pens? If you're new here, be sure to check out our other beginner Cricut tutorials linked below. Happy making!